Vacuuming in the garage has never been easier with the Vroom Retract Vac. Bring the power of your central vacuum to your garage, car, workshop, and more. Unlike other garage vacuums, Vroom Retract Vac features a unique retractable hose. That means no more tangled hoses or extension cords to trip over. Instead, just pull, vacuum, retract. It's that easy. With its extensive hose reach, the Vroom Retract Vac cleans everything in your garage and beyond. Cars, cobwebs, leaves and dirt. Vacuuming is so quick and easy with the Vroom Retract Vac, you won't know what you did without it. So upgrade your central vacuum with the Vroom Retract Vac today.